So, so what that was. There we go. Uh, this is the Wealth Portal. This is Dwayne Mooney of the Wealth Portal. The Wealth Portal is a success club slash coaching company where we specialize in passive investing and self-improvement because we believe you must grow with your money. And today we're going to be talking about Trage Tech. Trage Tech is an excellent third-party platform that we're involved in that really does great returns, and we want to get into it a bit. So let's get into it and show you what we are looking at. Trade check. Going into the site. Log in. Here's the back office. They take USDT, TRC20. Uh, so you'll be clear on that. And let's go to the home. Let's actually look at the downloads so we can see certain things. Trade Tech pitch deck. I haven't seen this one. What's this pitch deck look like? Oh, okay. The real world arbitrage. It's the arbitrage company, the arbitrage cryptocurrency. This happens in your wallet. Trading disclaimer: trading is financial instruments, including but not limited to stocks, currencies, commodities, and cryptocurrency, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. We are not uh, with the SEC. We are not uh, licensed to trade. This is for educational purposes only. Just giving you can read all this. Any opinions, news, analysts contained on this platform are provided by our representatives. It's provided as general market commentary. I like that. It does not general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. So, uh, moving forward, what makes this company so great is the things that it does. Time is everything. What is this? This is just a pitch on this is interesting. Future algorithmic trading. This is information on what they do. Trade Technologies, the CEO, a highly accomplished finance professional in development of technologies, licensed with Giants, U.S. Security and Exchange Commission, Trade Technologies, is an entity registered with U.S. Securities and Exchange. That's big. This is the biggest thing that really makes this important. And our corporate mission, their corporate mission, democratizing access to wealth creation and digital economy, education empowerment, innovation for financial independence, transforming lives, and contributing to global prosperity. Love that. Contributing to global prosperity. What is arbitrage? A single token can have different prices across different exchanges. Arbitrage allows you to take advantage of the price differentials by buying the token on one exchange where the price is low and selling the token on another exchange where the price is high. Is arbitrage a new concept? No. Standard arbitrage. Arbitrage is practice exploiting price differences for the same assets in different markets and financial markets. It involves buying an asset in one market where the price is lower and simultaneously selling it in another market where the price is higher. Just explain that, which is great. Like here is an example. Buy an asset at 6,000, sell it for 6,700, you make the 700 difference. So when you have things that can do it all day, bots that can do it all day, then here it is right here. Like use 5,000, buy, purchase one Bitcoin, sell 1,000. Here, make the 1,000 difference. We really like that. So it becomes a great program for you to understand what you're doing. So let's go here to the actual how everything works. The dividend plan, the vision, of course. The dividend is what I wanted to get to. You put in $100, which is the minimum, make 4% a month, breaks down to 1.136 a day. Put in 200, breaks down to 8% a month, 0.267 a day. Oh, and also you get paid one level, $100. $200, you get paid two levels. 500, you get paid four levels. You make 12% as well, which is always real nice. For 500, then 1,000, you make 20%, you get six levels. The 5,000, 28%, which is 1,000 is a sweet spot, but 5,000 is like even gets better. And then the 10,000, 36% a month and 1.2% a day, 10 levels, eight, you get paid. So what makes that so important is realizing that the more money you put in, the more money you make. And this can accumulate. So if you have 5,000, you can build it up to 10,000 and you start getting paid 36%, which is wonderful. The thing is to get started. So people say only getting paid 4%. Well, you have something to work toward. You have $100, 4%, get another 100, you start getting 8%. I love it because every time you put money, you hit these marks, you're giving yourself a raise. That's the beauty of this. We don't have a program like this. And then, so how to fund it, deposit, right? You deposit it first. Then you move your funds to arbitrage. It takes about 24 hours. And then one business day, as it says. Then you move it to your arbitrage wallet. Then you move it to your dividend wallet, right? And once you move it to your dividend wallet, that's when it starts trading. Okay, which takes about two business days. And arbitrage dividends, here's an example. Funds rise, client deposits USDT, transfers 10,000 to USDT wallet. Funds arrive to the fund pool, arbitrage operations, starts trading, then dividends starts showing up. So it's just moving money. $100 one day, showing you what you'll make if you just continue to reinvest. Uh, and you can reinvest at $1, which is great. And 12 months, make 49, which is no big deal. You really want to get in this area, start really building like crazy and adding more money because look what the 5,000 creates, 17,000. But none of us are not going to hold on to our money. It's just showing you 10,000 turns into $43,800. None of us are going to hold on, and hopefully they'll be around. We don't play like that. We're about cash flow and building it too, but we're about cash flow. Now, first level, you get paid 12%, second level 8%, third level 5%, sixth level 2%, seventh level 1%, eighth level 1%. It's a beautiful thing. 9%. Okay, fifth level 2%. I missed that. Sixth level 2%, seventh level 1%, level 8 1%, level 9 1%, level 10 1%. Can't beat that. Remember, you have to have 10,000 to hit all levels. And the good thing about it is the okay, that's the level dividend, same thing. I want to show you the bonus points, rank dividends. Here, this is what gets sexy. When you become an executive, all it takes you to do 500 and have 1,000 in your volume, downline volume on your first level. You start getting 1.0% you make, and that's daily. You start making $10 a day on $1,000. And then same with these are the extra bonuses. 1,000 in your you have a downline of 3,000, get 2.5%. So this one, it gets real good. Director 10,000, 30,000, you start getting 10%. This is when it starts, your compensation plan really starts taking off with these uh, ranks. When you start hitting these ranks, it's a beautiful thing. Whole network, client division, then it's just more bonuses and client division director. And I haven't even gotten into all this, but in other words, just a lot of money in this system. So look forward. Here's a profit sharing, 20% that you get. So it just goes on and on and on and on and on. How much you can make. Current time on business day, current time 2 business days. It's just crazy money. Trade Technologies membership fee annually, $29.90. I haven't even seen this. $29.90. I haven't seen. I don't know if that's been implemented. Maybe at the end of the year. Draw fee, set up 3% withdrawal amount, whichever's higher. Set at 5 or 3% of withdrawal amount, whichever's higher. So withdrawal fees are set at $5 or 3% of withdrawal amount, whichever is higher. Withdrawals from UST wallet are immediate. We like that. So you have access to your principal and profit daily, which is really, we really like. So it gives one the opportunity to really make a lot of money. So let's go here and see what I'm doing. I know I put 100 in this account, and it's check my wallet. Okay, the balance is $2.05. See what's in the arbitrage wallet. $100, paying the 4%. Personal earnings, 0.81 so far. What I want to do is get this up to $100 ASAP, 500 ASAP because I'm missing out on my uh, bonuses. I can be an executive and start getting paid from my downline correctly. So one is put in 200, another one's put in 1,000, waiting on these three people to fund their accounts. Two, one, two, three, four, two, five, six. So once these two are funded, just waiting on them to fund. And, we're going to be signing up more people this week. Um, it's a good thing. It's an easy program. It's a lot of money in it. The biggest thing is, like I said, the SEC approved. The biggest thing that stands out to me is that they're SEC approved. And also, um, we have access to our principal and profit daily. So we really are fortunate to have that and to be able to take advantage of this. I know some people want any questions. No, well, any comments? Okay, well, that's our flagship. We want to generate and really build this quickly. I want to have at least 5,000 in the next 3 months and just continue to build it and make some money off of it. And remember, we have a combination of platforms we're in. This is just our flagship. Another one I want to get into real quick is uh, it's called Polivera. I like Polivera because it's a low maintenance program. Issue with the login details. It's a inexpensive program, and what you're able to do is fund it through they're another arbitrage dealing with cryptocurrency, and they have bots that you trade, and you can come in at $50 for 15 days. You get paid 12%. And arbitrage bot here, you come in at 100, you get paid 30% in 12 days. And that's exciting because you don't have to put up big money to make money with this one. And we use this one definitely for diversification. You don't get paid as much on the back end, the compensation plan, but you do on the front end with the percentage of the investment. You get 30%, $100. And the thing is, they hold on to your principal for 30 days. Uh, so it's like staking. They hold on to it for 30 days. You can take your profit out daily. So it is like a lot like staking this one because you don't have access. Um, and then at the end of 30 days, you can take out your print. They give you back your principal, which is a good thing. We like it. I got a so I'm watching it. I think I have. If I click, we have to. I put in TRC 20, so I have $35, and I'm literally going to be taking that out today. All right, so I can show you how I'm going to do that. And it's easy to fund too. You just go here, launch. Remember the test $50, get 12%. So you really want to come here, minimum $100. When you come here, click continue. And then you click which one you want, Bitcoin, whatever coin. I like to have a variety too of coins you can use. Say for instance, you can go 30 days, 50 days, 90 days, however you want them to hold your or stake your principal. I do mine for 30 days, but that's open to however you want it. But once you do it, you just TRC. And say, for instance, I'm doing TRC. And I want to do 100. Just click the information. They don't have any extra fees. And I just take that address and I continue. It gives me the address. Use my outside address and fun. So I like it. Real nice, easy program. And we're just about diversity and building it. We just filled the other one, Trade Tech. It's just Trage Tech is a long term, and you have access to your principal and profit daily. And we use a couple of these platforms to create cash flow and have fun with it. So, we're in a few more. I just want to show you these two and how they relate. And the thing is get in both of them, build them because you want to have that diversification and have fun making money. Have fun making money and staying on it. Remember, when we deal with these um, platforms, the key is these third-party platforms, you're giving your money up. So when you can have access to your money daily, that's a plus, and it's SEC approved. You can't beat that. This one is not SEC approved. However, it's a nicely ran platform. So whatever it is, we don't trust none of them. I repeat, we don't trust none of them because we're giving our money away. Somebody else is handling our money. So we're very smart about it and making sure we're profits out, taking profits out when we get to a point where, we don't want to lose money. We're taking profits out, breaking even. We're putting money in, constantly building our ecosystem and just having fun with these programs, but not getting caught up thinking that they are going to last forever. I repeat that, not getting caught up thinking they are going to last forever. They are what they are. We utilize them for cash flow and to build too for long term, but we want to make sure we're in profit as soon as possible. Okay, so as I look at this, if I'm going to withdraw, I will go to withdraw. What am I? I could no, because I have it in TR7, TR20, right? It comes up. I put that link in. Uh, it's telling me I have available balance 35.72. So let me I can just click max. I like that feature. And then they really act like a staking with the max button. Submit withdrawal confirmation. And I literally will get this in a couple of minutes. See how fast I get this. Check them out. See how fast the sucker came in. See, when you get into moving money, it becomes a lot of fun. Oh, it hasn't come in yet. So, oops, that was TRX, TEDx. Okay. Oh, I got to submit the confirmation. Oops. That's what I did do. I'm sorry. Let's see how fast it comes in. If I can put up my. Well, it hasn't come in yet. So we're just waiting for it to come in. Should be showing up shortly.
No, it says that the requests are processed within 24 hours.
Yeah, but I get it pretty quick.
Oh, you've withdrawn from trades before?
Hmm. Yeah.
The daily withdrawal is what is that, 500,000? Wow.
Yeah, I'm driven. I get it. I've gotten it pretty quick. I've taken out money twice, to be exact. So I'm expecting it to. But yeah, we have within 24 hours. I just wanted to see how fast. I know one of our clients took money out last night. It came within 2 minutes. So we do expect it to kind of come in fairly quickly. But it hasn't come in yet, so we're not tripping. But it just goes to show you that, once you get into the habit of moving money um, and creating this dynamic of profits um, with different platforms, you start having fun with it. A lot of people sit back on their money and they just think it's going to be there forever. And we learned our lesson. It's about moving the money. Uh, think like an investor, but act like a trader. Think like an investor, but act like a trader. So you got to get involved where you're creating this mindset of moving money, understanding each platform that you're in, rather it's a third party platform, or if it's a you control your money uh, program. You have to pay attention to everything that you are doing. That's where the IQ goes up. When we talk about the financial literacy and IQ goes up, that you understand that you have to be a part of the We call it passive, but you have to be an active participant in your cash flow and your investments. So we're having fun. Any questions? Any questions or comments? Okay, well, let's look at some other things. Let's look at skip over to Control Your Money platform, which is Forex Bots. See what they're doing. They made money today. The Australian US has made money today. Let's see at $10 over here, 46 cents. See what you draw up. It's 587, 6,000 account. It's making money. So it's doing well. This is the hedgehog that makes trades and does well. This hedges so it gets you in a buy and sell at the same time. And we're in Australia, US, and we're in one Australian Canada sell. But if you look at the bottom, there's in buys. Now, this is a Forex bot on it. MetaTrader 4 that's doing the trading for us. We're just sitting back collecting money. It averages anywhere from 10 to 25% a month profit. And it's doing well. This is doing well. That's one of them that we have. Then the other one is the Robo Scalper. This has made a little more trades today. 150, $2, $1. This one must be 0.02. But this one is in trades as well. $132 drawn out. And it's a 3182 account. And it's making money. And we're having fun with each of them. So it's in a euro and also Euro US and British pound US. And the average is about the same 10, 10 to 25% a month profit. And this is trading the Euro US and the British pound US. And it's exciting. Money's being made. And again, it's just happening naturally. And what I love, they give you the statistics. So we can actually look at what's made $28 so far today, right? I didn't even look at the other one. So this is made, okay, $30 today. Okay, the hedgehog made $30 today on a 6,000 account. And the 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 Robo Scalper has made what was that? $28 on a 3,000 something account. So they're both doing their job. That's what I'm saying. It's just they just trade by themselves. And you control the money. You can control the settings. You control, and this is what I like. What makes these bots so powerful is this red right here. Is this news? The news, the news, the news makes this so powerful. It's like you get to the point where you don't have to this is the news, so it cuts off during the news, stops trading during the news, which is exciting, right? And if you're in a trade, it won't put you in any more trades while the news is going on. And this is strong news. So this is what makes these bots so exciting. All you have to do is keep them at a certain point. Don't over risk. You can go from low risk to mid risk. Go beyond that, you have to pay more attention to it. Like, when will you have high risk? Make sure there's no news going on, coming up, period. Even though this cuts off, it may get you in certain trades before the news and expand your trades. So it's timing. You only want to use aggression and start a different account. Have your low to mid risk account going. You're going to go extreme high risk. Make sure you use another account. Okay. Because eventually you will lose money in that account and you will blow that account. The whole thing is to make more money before it blows. But you stay low to mid risk, you're fine. It's just going to make you money. So we really suggest these bots because you get, right now we have it for one time. And like I said, this one is a scalper. It actually scalps. So it takes trades all the time, more trades than the other one. But the Hedgehog Pro. But what makes both of them so extraordinary is that you will make consistent money, right? And it's like, look, Ma, no hands, no hands. It's just working for you, and they work. Some people say bots don't work. These bots work. They're incredible. They're phenomenal. The best I've seen out there. So, I just wanted to share that with you. Uh, Other than that, let me check on, go back to the Polivera. Make sure I did everything right. I want to make sure that I have the right withdrawal information. Yep, so everything's cool. And see if everything went through. GRC20. Yeah, that's out. The balance is out. So I'm just waiting on to receive the money. And once I do, I'll definitely put it up in the room. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. It has up to 24 hours. And we go from there. So other than that, um, this is our 11 o'clock call. Tuesday, we have these 11 o'clock calls every day. Tuesday and Thursday, we'll have our evening calls, and those calls will be more formulated on people, inviting people and getting people involved toward what we're doing. So, any questions or comments? All righty. So, we suggest get into Trage Tech because of that SEC approved. Build your money. That compensation plan is out of sight. One of the other cash flow programs we have, as you can see, is Polivera, and we have others, but we'll showcase others a little later. But we just wanted to show you what was going on, and it's about creating cash flow and creating investment and building your passive investment ecosystem where you have money. So you saw the bots that you control. We also have crypto bots. Um, and we also have ways to make money with scalping and also a liquidity boost. So we got a lot of things going, and also silver and gold accumulation. So we're very, very busy and active in our own wealth building. So this call is officially over. Peace and prosperity.